bolt broke off in the cap. What's up, everybody? Just starting to get parts together to get the truck put back together so we can take it to a trip coming up on the Badlands, and thought maybe I'd do a little review or kind of more of a box opening of some pieces that came in, because I do get a lot of questions about the rear axle, since I don't use, I guess we'll call it traditional hubs people generally use on camber housing or fabricated housing. So what we're going to do today is a box opening of the Spline Tech Solid Axle Industries 35 spline drive flange kit. So start out, that's part number and what it is. It's just drive flange kit. I actually got this from Rough Stuff. All right, so what's in the box? You know, probably the best part, some stickers. You got a pair of everything. You got caps, dry slug, spacer snap ring, and new hardware for the cap, and O-rings for the cap. So if you follow along, you'll know that I needed a new cap because when we broke the axle shaft, it put a bolt. We have an adjuster bolt that kept the spacing of the axle and put that thing right through there. So need a new cap, so I figured it was a good idea to just get the whole kit. Then we get new axle shafts. We can keep a fresh drive slug for each axle, and we'll just take the one that was from the broken axle because it was stuck on the axle pretty good, and we had to hammer it off. So we'll keep a slug for each axle and keep it separated. Then we'll have a spare. If we ever actually need it, we'll use the one that was on the bad axle that broke. So it's in the box. In the end, we know this color is not going to work for me with the truck. So just looks like, doesn't look quite right. Obviously, then you got the brake caliper too. It just looks like it's a miss. So we did black of the caps last time. So the question is what do we do this time? Well, here we are getting it ready to put some powder on them. First we got to blast them. Then they'll go to powder. Here we have Brent, who's afraid of the camera.
Just today.
Well, I was actually lower, so you didn't even get seen by camera for that one.
Let's go.
This really cool sign presides that should be outside, but for whatever reason, it never makes it out there. Comment if you think that this sign should be out front. Step one, gotta blast them with the surface prep for powder. All sandblasted and ready to go to powder. And to the oven they go. They all baked and coming out of the oven. Cookies are done. Finished product, high gloss black. Good choice, fits my truck well with the red. I've always kind of done red and black anyhow. Although gold was right on top of the list, but we chose black in the end. Figured it would be the safe choice.